Okay, today what I'm going to do is what's called a cold start. Basically what that is this car, the Galaxy, been sitting for about a week without running. It's got a transmission issue. It only has 2 gears, 2 forward gears, no reverse, and no third, obviously. So it hadn't been driven very much. I try to drive it at least once a week or so, but it hadn't been driven in about a week or run, and it's about 19 degrees out here. So we're going to do what's known as a cold start on this car to see how good it does. I'm going to start it up, let it warm up, and take it for a little drive once it gets warmed up, and then park it back again. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's 2 pumps of the gas. Pull the choke out all the way, and here goes nothing. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well, now you're gonna let me down. I just need to leave the choke out a little bit so it starts missing like that, and then put it back in a little bit. I am impressed. Well, pressure's still going up. I'm sure it'll go up to 60 pounds now, no doubt. Doesn't sound too bad. Oh, not too bad. All in all, I'm happy with that.